ahabwo kushanga ngu zakabuyonjo ze gomboreji zibyo mu mberambe munonga kandi z'urukweracaza. Doreen Apio ubwo nashobora kugira ngo ikigenderwa cyabo icyo kukinga office ze gomboreji n'icyo rugira aha kushanga ngu bakabasa kubana barugayo kandi babashobora kuba basa kubana bahunduza zakabuyonjo zabo ahabero 22 ibyo kwezo kwa kabiri umwaka gutira amabega kandi kuba basa kubana barikiraho ukwejo nise bishaka ebyehinguririze mbuganguru ze gomboreji ngazakabuyonjo nuko batyo umwaka gwo higutandikire ahabero 23 ibyo kwezo ko kubanza umwaka ogu nuko kubasa kubana barugayo kandi ngabanyabirajiro okugira ngo bakingire cyarumwe offices mpaka zakabuyonjo ze
had served the sub-county with several notices recommending the temporary closure of the sub-county. The reason being, the latrine status are very poor. If you check the latrine status behind there, actually it's not comfortable, it's dilapidated, it's really in a sorrow state, whereby me who is implementing latrine coverage in the community, it's a great shame to us. One, it will cause diseases to us, it will even prevent us to implement what is on ground. So that is the main reason as why I closed the place. It is a temporary closure that the sub-county leadership makes it done, puts the latrine in place or renovates it, then they can resume duty.
Apio nashobora kugira ngo abishoro kwataho batwire baraganisa byo yabyanshwa barakugira ngo nibija gukora hari zakabuyonjo ezi ngukonga hati cyaba cyasike imyaka 2 nuko kusharamo kugira ngo bakinge office ze gomboreji.
It is now 2 years since I started notifying the sub-county through finance committees, through the council. The last notification, the second last notification I gave it, the deadline was supposed to be 22nd, but nothing was done. So yesterday I met the chairperson still and served him for the immediate closure, which I've done today.
Orumukuru w'entebe ya kashatu habwe gombora ya Lake Katwe Wilson Asimwe ubwo nashobora kugira ngo wetari kwija kwicereza kugira ngo office ye ebase kuba nekingwa nuko kushobora Sky TV hari kugira ngo ubwa hati kabuyonje zibineho baruhono bagezaho kuzuhunduza ukuziteka hamutindo ngo kandi zikine n'imyanya yo guteka mu bibo bw'abantu.
No, the sub-county is not closed. Why can it be closed when there is an alternative? Sub-county cannot get closed. Why? The latrine is there. It's not full that a person cannot use it, except that there are already materials on the ground. People are already constructing the slab to put the other mobile toilets so that we renovate. Now, if it was in a solid state, could we be renovating it or could we be digging a new one? The office are operating as usual. So don't confuse my people that the office are closed. The office of the Kato are not closed.
Ashobora kugira ngo zakabuyonje zibino mwanyogu ubwa hati ziyo mu mbera zo kwerarekereza ahabwo kushanga ngo ezino zikoresebwa abakozi be gomboreji hamwe n'abaturage nuko kushobora kugira ngo ubwa hati baruhono bateme mpenda okubara leteho zakabuyonje zabonaho narishishwa kubasa kweta mobile toilets ahabwo kwenda kugira ngo bakabana bazikoresa obwe zindi
is being used by the villagers, the surrounding communities. There are some communities who have no latrine, They are the one causing it to look like the state it is.
Apio nashobora kugira ngo ubwa hati tubarkwija kwicereza kugira ngo za office ze gomboreji zibase kubana zigurwa okusya obuzakabuyonjezi zirije kubasa kubana zombekwa nashobundi zikahunduza ubwa ngo kandi ogwe wena ori musi y'umutwe kugira ngo abase kubana igura offices akatimba katahe akakubesha hayona nahenderere nyuma y'imitehimbwa.
I've closed it until the services are done. Until they have constructed the latrine or renovated the one that is there. I've already notified the police. That's why you've seen them around. They're informed. Whoever will break it, that means it will call for an arrest.
Umunyamakuru witu yageza aho gamba ho nagomborera chief ahabwe gomboreji Jessica Jen Konkogu ebigambo byaguma mwomire yafuma mije yahindira tine cyagambira hanshongeji.
I never came here to work on clothes. I found your toys the way they were and you